I'm Sunny Bhanushali, a realism and hyper-realism tattoo artist from India. Today I'm going to walk you through my entire process of tattooing. In this course, we are going to learn everything from making a tattoo stencil to the final outcome of the tattoo. I remember the first time when I did my first portrait tattoo, it was a total disaster. And the reason for that was because I lacked knowledge and understanding of the fundamentals of portrait and miniature tattooing, and also I had no exposure to advanced level of tattooing. It wasn't until I understood the fundamentals of realism portrait and hyperrealism aspect of it that I was really able to capture the essence of realism in tattooing. Whether it be a human portrait, an animal portrait, or talk about the portraits of famous figures. The secret to great portrait tattoos is just not limited to the face. It is much more than that. It is about the photography, the lighting, the composition of the design, the size, the placement of the tattoo, and most importantly, it is about the overall execution of the tattoo. In this course, I will show you what exactly went behind designing this artwork. You will also learn about the pro-level stenciling, simplified advanced level tattoo techniques such as pendulum shading technique, color packing techniques, paintbrush style, and much more. I'm going to show you how do I make my own gray wash and also share a lot of pro tips and tricks. Now all those pro level techniques, the secrets which I'm talking about, will take your work to the next level. Your portrait tattoos are going to stand out. After this course, you will be able to create great hair and skin textures, create butter soft shading, and make flawless portraits like never before. This is one of the most comprehensive tattoo masterclasses you will ever find on the internet. So let's get started.